is there in life when you have lost the only love that keeps you alive. This is a tragic love story of Twalvani and Zolbala, of time immemorial, whose names will forever be engraved in the hearts of all Mesos. Twalvani and Zolbala were newlyweds who were deeply in love. They could not take their eyes off each other. Zolbala was immensely proud of his wife's beauty and loved and adored her intensely. They spent their time together in mirth and laughter. All seemed well and secure in the world of the world.
One day, a cruel king named Punjia from a neighboring land who was captivated by Twalvani's beauty offered a proposal of marriage. Zolbala, fearing for their lives, claimed Twalvani was his sister. When Punjia inquired about her bride price, Zolbala demanded a stupendous amount of wealth, hoping that he would be unable to fulfill the demand.
It was his fault, he knew, and in endless sorrow, his health slowly deteriorated. He died heartbroken and alone. Now the animals of the great jungle flocked together to mourn Zolbala. As they lamented over his death, they began to hold a discussion on who shall break the news to Twalvani. The tiger asked for volunteers, and everyone but the wood pigeon wanted to be chosen. The tiger began to ask some of the animals as to how they would convey the news. The raven replied, the crab replied, I. The tiger was not satisfied. He shook his head in exasperation and raised the same question once again. This time the wood pigeon volunteered. It was asked how it would address Twalvani, and the little wood pigeon sang its heart out. Its performance so pleased them that they elected it to be the bearer of the tragic news.